Guys, I'm 7 years old now. Happy Christmas Day. So this is my favorite sardines. So let's mix it out and make it soon. So guys, enjoying this video and loving and share, subscribe, love this video. Let's mix it to a bit. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, that smells like fishy. Yeah, that's sardines.
Garbage truck.
That's hot. Wow. I have to wait for a bit. Hello guys, I'm back. So it's not working. I have to wait. It has been 1 minute. Whoa! Vegetables. So we're gonna finish it after 15 minutes. Let's do it.
Blue. Orange. Nice.
So it's got very not annoying. Ooh. That sure is cool, but not cool. You like it, guys? Follow more if you want some newer video and watch till the end. Yummy.
Purple. Yellow.
Wow, that's cool. Like and subscribe if you want this, guys. It has been 4 minutes. Wait, guys, I'll get water. I'm here. I cannot zoom this.
Baby bus.
Now it's baby bus now. Right?
Morning,
Jasmine.
everyone. Hey, guys, do your best. Don't be lazy.
And didn't know that it was like and subscribe. I send this description. Subscribe to Clay. And nobody is subscribing. Like if you watch to the end, eat the selfie food.
monster cars go on a mission. One of them goes another way.
Look.
Danger, danger, somebody help me. Monster police cars here to help you. Thank you. Four monster cars go on a mission. One of them goes another way.
Let's see the word.
Monster fire trucks here to help you.
Oh. You.
Three monster cars go on a mission. One of them goes another way.
I'm hurt. Somebody help me.
Monster ambulance is here to help you.
I said maybe the boy or girl.
Monster cars go on a mission. One of them goes another way.
This is the baby bus song. I haven't changed my mind.
Monster tow truck is here to help you. I'm so powerful. One monster car goes on a mission, and he goes another way. Danger! Danger! Somebody help me!
Oh no.
Don't worry, here I come. Monster truck is here to help you. Monster truck is here to help you. Monster car.
Look, see? Haven't finished yet. That will be on 8 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, what's this?
It's a big toy town. The car's moving so fast.
Right?
Look at the train. It's going through a tunnel.
You have to subscribe for me because I'm gonna be fictional ship liners. So I only have 1 minute left. I'm just joking. We're just gonna get it finished. Okay.
Like little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the red egg.
What is this? I think I don't want. You have to eat this, guys. This is Philippine food, dark sardines.
A police
Again.
car. Four little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the yellow egg. Guess what it is? A fire truck. Three little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the blue egg.
It's 90% healthy, right? And my I'll be on 10 minutes.
An ambulance. Three little surprise eggs, spinning round and round. Let's open the egg.
Whoa.
Guess what it is?
Whoa. Wow, I've become healthy. You have to eat this. Bye bye. Like and subscribe and comment. Don't forget to comment. Okay? Bye bye. It was made for kids. I'll made for kids and see it. And don't comment. Like and subscribe. Bye. In this mode. Bye.